bring us jelly.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Noah?
Noah,
Where does this jelly go?
put it away. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. No, it doesn't go in your dump truck. Here.
That's what it
Noah.
is when we put things away.
Put it back. Yep. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back where you got it. It's probably getting heavy. That way, that is pretty heavy. Are you being a helper? Or-
No.
Are you rearranging things?
Oh, that's a little too heavy for him.
You're funny.
Yes, we're laughing at you.
Yeah, the joke's on you.
Yeah. Did you help us?
Peekaboo!